What's up, Katropa fam? This is Ann, your buddy, your friend, your Katropa. And today, guys, meron akong news para sa mga naglalaro ng Wild Forest. At yan ang arcade mode. At ang bagong feature nila na tinatawag na perks. So, ang arcade mode, guys, is purely fun and chill game mode lang, no? Walang worry about ratings, walang worry about leagues. And then, meron ka ng cards, no? May deck nang ibibigay sa'yo automatically. So, hindi mo na rin aalalahanin yun. Pure skills lang ang kailangan mo. Ito namang perks, guys, no? These are special unit abilities that unlock randomly as your units rank up. Ayan. So, merong 41 perks, guys, and they are categorized into 3 groups. So, general perks is orange. Pag group perks naman is green. So, limited to specific type of units lang ito. And then, unique perks is blue. And these are exclusive to a particular unit only. And ito, guys, is available lang sa arcade mode and available lang for testing, guys, during the beta. So, guys, 41 yung perks na available in the game. And maganda, guys, kung matatry nyo, guys, yan isa-isa, matry nyo lahat, and then share your thoughts by liking or disliking. So, makikita nyo, guys, doon sa tabi ng perks, makikita nyo may like or dislike button. And sabihin nyo, guys, or maglagay kayo ng feedback nyo kung nagustuhan nyo siya or hindi. Kasi gagamitin na reference yan ng dev team, no? Kung okay ba tong mga features na to. And since makikita natin to sa main game, syempre, maganda kung makakapag-contribute tayo ng thoughts natin. Ayan, guys. So, when you go into the game, makikita nyo yan dyan sa gilid yung arcade mode. And then, tap nyo lang yan dyan, guys, no? So, and then, click nyo yung battle. Meron ka nang makukuhang cards na automatic. Mirrored yan dun sa kalaban mo. And then, ayan, papasok ka na sa arcade mode. And ito yung mga perks, guys, no? Yan, nakikita nyo sa tabi ng cards nila. Yan yung mga perks na nakuha ng mga units ninyo. Ayan, guys. So, dito, makikita nyo rin yung perks ng units nyo. And then, just go about it, no? Skill to skill na lang yan. So, guys, after nyo malaro yan, balik kayo ng arcade mode, guys. And then, pag tap nyo ng unit nyo, guys, makikita nyo dyan yung kasama na perk nyan. And then, merong thumbs up or thumbs down button, no? So, pag na-try nyo na yan lahat, provide your feedback by giving a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Ayan. Para malaman ng developers kung gusto nyo yung feature na yan. So, that's it for today's video, guys. If you want to learn more about Wild Forest, visit playwildforest.io and please don't forget to follow for more.